Lately, I haven't touched my alcohol markers. Yep, those poor markers have been just sitting there, probably wonder if I have moved on. So today, I'm going to create a whole new character. But first, I need an idea. Big idea. So I did every artist does. When inspiration runs dry, I start scrolling. Instagram, Pinterest, scroll. And just when I'm about to give up, I had a cup of tea. And boom, it hit me. A little character printed on a coffee cup. An Arab boy in traditional clothing. And I was like, yes, you are the one. First thing first, clean my desk. Wow, it was a mess. Now it's time to gather all the drawing essential. Sketchbook, pencil, eraser, phone, and of course some epic music is a must. Now sketching begin. First a rough sketch, just getting the shape and pose right. Next the face, gotta give him a charm, a big smile. Now adding some epic details like his traditional outfit and cool crocs. Bingo! Got a sketch complete. Now let's take a picture of my sketch and start the drawing expandation. To do this, I'm going to use a cool projector. The projector is all set, now let's begin. This tool makes the drawing expand in 10 times easier. The sketch is finally 100% transferred. Now I'm going to trace the drawing using a fine liner pen. And while tracing, plot twist, a mystery package arrives.
Give it to me.
It was a chair, gifted by a friend. So let's assemble it real quick.
Give it to me.
Read the boring manual. Attach everything with the screw.
Give it to me.
And voila, it's ready to use. Time to sit on the new chair and continue tracing. And finally, the drawing is done and now it's ready for coloring.
I've been navy blue.
Now it's come for the fun part and slightly terrifying part. Coloring. I don't just grab random markers. No. This is a war. We need a plan. So, I turned the almighty color wheel. Seriously, whoever invented it, thank you. Now that I have my color palette, I begin. As always, I start with the skin. It's my favorite part.
How much you got my heart.
There's something satisfying about watching character slowly comes to life.
Sense to me.
Next up, the clothes. This is the biggest part, and I really don't want to mess it up. But hey, no pressure, right? Okay, just a little pressure. But here's the thing. Art isn't about perfection. It's about having fun, trying new things, and letting your imagination takes a lead. So finally, This Arab boy in traditional clothes is done. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Loving all